guys, welcome to my channel. And for today's video, I will teach you how to create a surface boundary in a fastest way. And to do that, let's start with, since we already have the surface here, we have to show the point number under Prospector tab, point group properties, since this is none, let's put it a basic, and point number, apply, okay. So we have a surface, and you need only, for example, you need only for example, we need a stockpile, and you need only this area. Just look at the cursor. So since we need this only, we have to take this only. And to take this, what you have to do, of course, you wouldn't do this process because it will take your time if you do this. So what we have to do is, for example, let's get the lowest number, for example, let's say 24, and we will get the highest number, let's say 60. What we have to do is command polyline PL, and then with ongoing command PL, you can click this point number, or you can type apostrophe and then PN, which is point number, enter, and then just type 24 because that is the lowest number that we need, and then until, let's say 59. We don't need this area. 24 to 59. And then close. Or we have to close this. Enter. So we already have a boundary. This is our boundary. This is what we need only. And to cut this area, because we don't need that one, just click the surface, add data, and then select boundary. For example, this is a stock file, and then outer, okay, and then select the boundary, and then it remain the surface that we need. Let's check team object viewer. For example, this one, object viewer. This is our stockpile. We need to see. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye.